Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you traders out there: how to connect Ninjatrader to TradingView in 2025. If you're tired of switching between platforms and want seamless access to charts and data, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have these two powerhouses linked up, making your trading workflow smoother than ever. First things first, let's talk about why this matters. Ninjatrader is great for advanced trading execution, while TradingView offers top-notch charting and community insights. Connecting them lets you pull data from Ninjatrader directly into TradingView, saving you time and reducing errors. Now, before we start, make sure you have the latest versions installed, Ninjatrader 8.5 or higher and TradingView's web or desktop app from 2025. Step 1. Head over to the Ninjatrader website and download the official API Bridge tool. This is a new feature in 2025 that makes integration easier than ever. Once downloaded, install it and log in with your Ninjatrader credentials. Don't worry if you're new to this, it's straightforward and takes just a couple of minutes. Next, in TradingView, go to the Settings menu and look for the Data Feeds or API Connections section. Here, you'll add a new connection. Enter your Ninjatrader API key, which you can generate from the Ninjatrader platform. Pro tip: keep your API key secure to avoid any unauthorized access. Now, for step 3, test the connection. Open a chart in TradingView and select Ninjatrader as your data source. You should see real-time data flowing in. If it doesn't work, check your internet connection or firewall settings, common issues in 2025 setups. Finally, customize your setup. Use TradingView's indicators with Ninjatrader's data for better analysis. Remember, always backtest your strategies before going live. That's it, you've now connected Ninjatrader to TradingView. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.